Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed a few important questions from the PGCET 2025 MCA exam. Now, let's continue solving the remaining questions, focusing on mathematical concepts with a clear step-by-step explanation. Let us dive into the concept without delay. Let us start with the next question. The area of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2, and 5, 1. Given three vertices. The three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. 3, 8, minus 4, 2, 5, 1. The formula for the area of the triangle when three vertices are given is 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. It is very simple. We have a x1, x2, x3, x1 plus x2 plus x3, and x1 it is taken means y2 and y3 it will comes in the clockwise direction, and y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. So this is the formula, and just we have to substitute the values. 3 into 2 minus 1, that x1 is 3, and y2 minus y3, that is y2 minus y3, 2 minus 1 it is. Like this, we have to substitute the values and we have to simplify it. We'll get the output 30.5. So the first option is the correct option for this question. The next is, let A, B, C are square matrices of the order n into n. Then which of the following is not correct? So here A, B, C, three matrices of the order n into n it is given. N means same dimension it is given. N equals to 2 means 2 into 2 it is. N equals to 5 means 5 into 5. So it will be representing the square matrix. Given inputs, input matrices are the square matrix. Now we have to check these properties here. First one, it is A plus B equals to B plus A. That is a commutative property for the matrices addition. And for the addition of matrices, associative property. For the multiplication of matrices, commutative property. And again, here we have a multiplication of the matrices, associative property. Which one is not correct? That we have to find out. So in order to find this one, we have to take some three matrices, A, B, C, 2 into 2 matrices, n equals to 2 it is taken here. And now let us check the first condition, first option, A plus B equals to B plus A. That is nothing but a commutative. So here we have a commutative property, A plus B. A plus B means just simply we have to add here 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1. So here we have a 4, 4, 3, 3. This is a matrix, it will comes. Then next we have a B plus A. Now we have to take this one as the first matrix, and this should be added to this one here. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. The same it will comes 4, 4, 3, 3. So both are the same here, same matrices. A plus B equals to B plus A. So the commutative property, it will holds good for the matrix addition. The next one is, here we have an associative property on the matrix addition. So for the associative property, A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. A plus B already we are calculated, that is a 4, 4, 3, 3 in the previous property, A plus B. In this way, that should be added to the C. What is the C? 1, 2, 1, 2. So here we have to add both 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, and 3 plus 1, 4, and 3 plus 2, 5. So now this output, it is 5, 6, 4, 5. Then we have to go for the next one, A plus B plus C. First we have to go for the B plus C here. By adding B and C, we'll get 4, 5, 2, 3. And A should be added to this one. Now A, it is 1, 2, 1, 2. This 1, 2, 1, 2, it will be added to the 4, 5, 2, 3. So here we have a 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. And 2 plus 3, 5. So now here we have a 5, 6, 4, 5. And this is 5, 6, 4, 5. So both are same. So associative property also, it will holds good on the matrix addition. The next one is commutative property on matrix multiplication. In this we have a into B. A into B, two matrices, how you are multiplying? First matrix row, second matrix column. So first row 1 1, and here we have a first column 3 1 3 1. So 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Then 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. This row and this column. And next we have a this row and this column. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1. So here we have a second row, first column, second row, second column. So 4, 4, 8, 8. This is the output of A into B. Now we have to go for the B into A. We'll take this one as the first matrix, B as the first, and A as the second. We are multiplying the second matrix with the first matrix. 3 into 1, 3 into 2. That is 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3 is nothing but a 9. Again, we have a first row, second column. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 9. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2. That is 3. 1 into 1, 1 into 2. So here we have a first row and first row with the first column, first row with the second column, second row with the first column, second row with the second column. So 9, 9, 3, 3. So first A into B, it is 4, 4, 8, 8, and B into A, 9, 9, 3, 3, which is not same. So here the commutative property on matrix multiplication does not hold good. That's what AB is not equals to BA, which is not correct option. That is the third one. Third one is the not correct option. The next one we have to check here. Fourth one, commutative property on matrix multiplication. So A into B already we are calculated. That is the 4, 4, 8, 8. Then we have to multiply with the C. So 4, 4 into 1, 1, first row, first column, first row, second column. That is 4 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 8, 16. Then 8 into 1, 8 into 1. And 8 into 2 plus 8 into 2. That is 16, 32. So 8, 16, 16, 32. Then next here we have a AB into C. That output it will comes here. Next we have a into BC. First we have to calculate BC. That second matrix into third matrix, that is 6, 12, 2, 4. And then we have to multiply this A with the BC, output of this BC. So the final output will be 8, 16, 16, 32. Here also we have 8, 16, 16, 32. That is AB into C equals to A into BC. So this property also it will holds good. That multiplication, matrix multiplication is associative in nature. So the correct answer, which is not correct, we need to find out. So the correct option will be AB equals to BA. So the next question is, let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, it is one of the element, comma 5. Then which of the following is correct? First of all, we have to observe here that given the set A included with 4 elements, 1, 2, and 3, 4 together, it is a single element for this, comma 5. Total, we have 4 elements. So this is a set inside the set. 3, 4, it is a set inside the set and it will be considered as an element of the set A. So here we have all elements must be inside the set. Subset means, now if I need to take any of the subset from this set, 1 also subset, 2 also subset, 3, 4, it is one of the element that also, and 1, 2, 3, these together, this is also the subset, and 2, 5 also it is a subset. Means when we'll be creating any other set, each and every element of that set belongs to this A. So the subset, all elements must be inside the set. And one more we have a belongs to. Means if I need to say any element belongs to this one, 1 belongs to this, 2 belongs to this, but 3 is not belongs to this, and 4 is not belongs to this individually. 3, 4, it is one of the element which is belongs to set A. We cannot consider individual element of the 3, 4 because together it is a one element, comma 5. So here we have a first thing, we have to go for the first option, 3, 4. 3, 4 is subset of A. Look here, already we told 3 comma 4 together, it is one of the element. We cannot take 3 comma 4 separate elements are the subset of A here. So here we have a, if we need to mention it as a subset, it should be of the single element. Now here it is taken two elements together. It is a false 3 comma. What it will indicates 3 and 4 individually are the elements of the 3 and 4 are individually belongs to set A. That indication it will gives, but it is wrong. Together it is a single element. That's what the first option it will be wrong here. For subset elements 3 and 4 individually must be in A. But A contains 3 comma 4 as one element. If in this 3 comma 4 after that in bracket 3 comma 4 means that this one it would have correct. But now it is having only this one. 3 and 4 are not individual elements. That's what option 1 it is false. Option 2, 3 comma 4 and brackets. Look here, it will be considered as a single component with bracket. Together it is taken in the other bracket, means now the indication of the component. This component belongs to this set. Now it is true that 3 comma 4 together, 3 4 together, it is a single element belongs to set A. It is true here. And then next one is 3 comma 4 is belongs to A. Now here we have a 3 comma 4 is directly an element of A. Now belongs to, you are using 3 comma 4, it is one of the element. But 3 comma 4 we cannot use as a subset. This difference you have to notice. 3 comma 4 is not a subset of A, but 3 comma 4 with bracket belongs to A. This is correct. And fourth option is 3 comma 4 is not belong to A. Fourth option is 3 comma 4 not belongs to A. That is a false, because already we have proved that 3 comma 4 belongs to A. So the correct option for this one is the second one. That is second and third. Second as well as third. Both are the correct options. Next question is the angle between the line through the points 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4 and the line through the points -1, -2, 1, 1, 2, 5 is x1, y1, line 1, x1, y1, z1, 4, 7, 8, x2, y2, z2, 2, 3, 4. And like that only in the line 2, it is given x1, y1, z1, -1, -2, 1 and x2, y2, z2, 1, 2, 5. So first what we have to do, here we have to identify the direction vectors of both the lines. Now direction vector formula is x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This will be calculated for both the lines, line 1 as well as line 2. Line 1 through 4, 7, 8 and 2, 3, 4. Just by substituting these values in this formula. Now here we have a x2 is 2 minus 4 and 3 minus 7 and 4 minus 8. So just we have to substitute. We'll get the point -2, comma, -4, comma, -4. Then line 2. We have a line 2 passing through -1, comma, -2, comma, 1 and 1, comma, 2, comma, 5. Just we have to substitute these values in the same equation. So we'll get the direction of D1, direction vector of the first line and direction vector of the second line. It will be represented with the D1 as well as D2. Now the formula to find the angle between two vectors, here we have a cos theta equals to direction vector of the D1 first line into direction vector of the second line divided by the modulus of this and this. So this is the formula here. Already we are calculated D1 as well as D2, direction vector of the first line and second line, just by multiplying both together. Now here we have a D1 is minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, and d2 it is the 2, 4, 4. Just we have to multiply. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4. That will be of the minus 36 by simplifying. Then next question is the midpoint of the line joining the points 1, 4, 8 and 3, 6, 10 is given points for the line x1, y1, z1 equals to 1, 4, 8 and x2, y2, z2 equals to 3, 6, 8. So the formula for the midpoint of the line is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, z1 plus z2 divided by 2. Just we have to substitute the values of the x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in this equation. So by simplifying these values, here we have a 1 plus 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 6 divided by 2, 8 plus 10 divided by 2, and that becomes 5, 2, 5, 9. So the correct answer for this question is 1. So here we are solved some mathematical problems. Remaining problems we can take in the further videos. Till then, see you. Thank you for watching.